and welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the headlines. No ticket to any person other than sitting Congress MLAs for now. Sonia Gandhi tells Congress leaders rest tickets to be finalized after decision on seat sharing with NCP. BJP alleges that government officials and police are harassing the BJP supporters. Final list of the BJP candidates to be declared within 15 days. Decision on alliance in 3 days. Hearing of the petition challenging the MOI decision in the High Court finally concludes. Court reserves order. Verdict on contempt petition first. Goans on Costa Concordia return narrate the horrific story of incidents before the ship sunk. Prudent brings to you an on-board account. Visakhapatnam and Chennai prove their supremacy at All India Major Port Chess and Carom Championships. And Ekendra Singh excited about future of Sporting Club de Goa. Victory over Mohan Bagan is the turning point, says Flaming Orange coach. And now the news in detail. AICC President Sonia Gandhi is personally looking into the Congress ticket for Goa. Sonia held a meeting with Ahmed Patel, Sudhakar Reddy and Oscar Fernandez late night on Wednesday. She has asked the leaders not to assure ticket to any person other than MLAs of the Congress. She has advised them to be on hold till seat sharing with the NCP is sorted out. Sonia Gandhi has kept the Congress leaders on hold till further intimation. As per the sources in Delhi, Sonia Gandhi held a meeting with the senior Congress leaders. They discussed crucial details. 4 important directives that came from Sonia are: decide first on Congress NCP alliance, finalize seat sharing with the NCP, decide on the constituencies to be given to the NCP, allotment of ticket can be taken up then. Most of the sitting MLAs of the Congress are expected to get ticket for assembly poll. Decision might remain pending about Santa Cruz. Sonia Gandhi has asked the leaders to ascertain the situation in Santa Cruz and decide on the ticket later. The Congress leaders who went to Delhi in anticipation were sent back with a simple message. Do not waste time in Delhi. Work hard in Goa. We are noticing all the activities. Decision will be intimated to all at an appropriate time. Till then, do not worry. After the crucial meeting with the AICC President, it is now confirmed that except the sitting MLAs of the Congress, no one can be assured about his or her ticket. More importantly, all the decisions will be on hold till specific constituencies are allotted to the NCP. Candidates in the controversial constituencies will be announced in the first week of February. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. Bharatiya Janata Party has complained that government officials and police are harassing supporters of the BJP. Final list of the BJP candidates will be declared within 15 days. The party is hopeful that alliance issue with the MGP will be sorted out within next 3 days.
Government not bothered, Goan people sad. Tujha mat kamlavari, kamlavari, kamlavari di.
Tujha mat kamlavari, kamlavari, kamlavari di. Mat tujha kamlavari, kamlavari, kamlavari di.
आम्ही इंटरनेटचा पण वापर करणार आहोत, मोबाईलचा पण वापर करणार आहोत आणि त्याहून सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं म्हणजे भाजपचं दरवर्षी जे एक आकर्षण असते अशी प्रचाराच्या काही लोकप्रिय गाड्यांची सीडी ही तयार झालेली आहे.
Wag, in a press briefing held on Friday, informed media that decision on BJP-MGP alliance will be taken by Monday. He also informed us that the party will take 15 more days to come out with the final list of candidates.
आचारसंहितेच्या नावासकल काय विशिष्ट खात्यांचे अधिकारी येवचून लोकांक त्रास करतात, लोकांक सतयतात. काय कडेन विरोधी कार्यकर्त्यांक पुलीस हाडून अमूक तांचेर अमुकूच प्रकारचें काम करपा जाय, अमक्याकूच करपा जाय अशे तरेचो दबाव हाडटात, नाल्यार तुमकां आमी भितर उडयतले अशें धमकायतात. भारतीय जनता पक्ष ह्या धमकावणीच्या आणि दबाव तंत्राच्या प्रकाराचो खर निषेध करता.
Wag also hinted that Election Commission officials are getting pressurized by the government.
पण जशें पत्रकारांकूय आढळून येयलां तशें आमकांय दिसलां की फाटल्या 2-3 दिसांक तक्रार करपी जे कोण आसात तांकां सुद्दां कसलोच रिस्पॉन्स हो आयोगा कडच्यान मेळना. हो प्रकार ताबडतोब थांबचो आनी जे चेपण शासनाचें किंवा मुख्य सचिवाचें इलेक्शन कमिशनचेर जर कितें आसत जाल्यार ताबडतोब तांणी तें काडचें आनी झुगारून उडोवचें अशी आमी मागणी करतात.
Our reporter from Panji Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Kaukar.
तुझे मत कमलावरी 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 दे.
Hearing on the petition challenging the MOI decision in the High Court finally concluded on Friday. The court has reserved the order in the matter. With assembly election round the corner, eyes are set on the final verdict. Court will pronounce verdict on contempt petition first. Educationist Pandurang Nadkarni and some other parents had challenged the government's decision to give grants to English medium schools. The hearing into the matter began in August last year. In the first 3 months of the hearing, the matter came up before the division bench of the High Court. But as the arguments into the matter were about to conclude, the bench was changed and the arguments had to be made again before this new bench. On Friday, the arguments into the matter concluded. The order has now been reserved by the court. The court has asked for written submissions from both the councils in the next 2 weeks. The court had passed an interim order in July last year to stay the circular issued by the government. However, during the course of hearing, a contempt application was filed by the petitioners against the government for allowing 105 primary schools to switch to English medium and releasing grants to the schools. The court will pronounce its verdict on the contempt application first. Thereafter, it will give its final order on the main petition.
तांकां हियरिंग दिलें म्हणजे तांणी फुडें तांणी मिडियम ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन कोर्टाची ऑर्डर आसतना मिडियम ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन चेंज केला काय ना हाजेर कोर्टान तांचे कडल्यान एक्सप्लेनेशन घेतलें आनी आज हियरिंग सगळ्यांचेर हियरिंग कंक्लूड जालें आनी जजमेंट रिजर्व दवरला.
During the final course of arguments, the Council for the Diocesan Society of Education made his submissions before the bench. The council stated that they had no intentions of disrespecting or dishonoring the court's interim order. They say they had made the switch over to English after the circular was issued. But Advocate Nadkarni pointed out that in an intervention application filed in July last year by the Diocesan Society of Education, it was mentioned that the schools were teaching in Konkani at the beginning of the year, which is in complete contravention to the Archdiocesan Board's letter in October. The court has asked both the councils to make their written submissions in the next 2 weeks. Now it remains to be seen whether the court pronounces its verdict before the elections in March. Our reporter from Panji, Jason Suarez. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.